Here's a question we get from Virginia renters and rental owners almost every week. Where do I get a proper month-to-month rental agreement without paying for it? Today, it is the Virginia month-to-month rental agreement. A month-to-month rental agreement sets out the rent, the deposit, who pays which utilities, and how much notice either side gives before ending the tenancy on a rolling term instead of a fixed year. It is the most flexible arrangement in residential renting, and the one people most often leave undocumented because it feels informal. Without it, you are relying on default rules and memory for the notice period, the deposit, and every house rule you thought you had agreed. And this matters more than people expect. The notice periods, the deadlines, and the wording that count are set by Virginia law, not by a generic national template. The version on our site is built for Virginia, and the page walks you through the Virginia rules that apply to it. Type your details straight into the form, and it builds the PDF for you, correctly formatted and ready to keep as your record copy. Free, no sign-up. Like this video if it saved you a headache, subscribe for more free landlord and tenant forms, and come get this one at tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com.